Good evening, all. I am Sabri Lakshmi, one of the OET aspirants from EduSkills family. I would like to thank Father Salim Joseph and all admin panel members for giving this wonderful opportunity. Reading part B. 10 question. Material mediated biology is not assessed using answer option A. Transitional non-biocompatibility extraction method. B. Biogenicity test equivalent validated method. Answer option C. Material mediated biogenicity testing. In text, biogenicity implants as well as storage devices having direct or indirect contact with the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system, or cerebrospinal fluid, and devices labeled as not biogenic should meet biogenic limit specification. Biogenicity information is used to help protect patients from the risk of febrile reaction. There are two sources of biogens that should be considered when addressing biogenicity. The first material mediated biogens are chemical that can lynch from a medical device during device use. Biogens from bacterial endotoxins can also produce a febrile reaction similar to that mediated by some material. Material mediated biology testing is not needed if chemical characterization of the device extant and previous information indicate that all patient conducting components have been adequately assessed for biogenicity. Otherwise, we recommended that you assess material mediated biogenicity using traditional biocompatibility extraction methods using a biogenicity test for equivalent validated method. So here, what is question step? Material mediated biogenicity is not assessed using. So here, material mediated biogenicity is the name. If the question stem is given name, directly go to the text name option. Before that, here keywords. Answer option A, keywords. Traditional non-biocompatibility. B, validated method. C, materials mediated. So here we straightly go to material mediated biogenicity. So here otherwise in last third sentence, otherwise we recommended that you assess material mediated biogenicity using traditional biocompatibility extraction methods using a biogenicity test or an equivalent validated method. Here question what is asking material mediated biogenicity is not assessed using. So here below three options is given. So these options, one of the option is not assist using. This test will be not used this method. So traditional not biocompatibility, validated method, then material mediated biogenicity. So here text otherwise after the otherwise the name given material mediated biogenicity testing. So here using traditional biocompatibility, then using biogenicity test on equivalent validated method. In answer option B, here using biogenicity test on equivalent validity method. So this using. So question is not using. So not assist using. So here this test will be using. So this is not answer. So we are eliminated. Then answer option B, traditional non-bio-capability. But in text, traditional bio-capability. In answer option given, non-bio-capability, but text given traditional bio-capability. Both are opposite. So here using traditional bio-capability. So here answer is not using. So answer option A is the here correct answer. How to be eliminated? Answer option C means material mediated biogenetic testing. But here test material mediated biological testing is not needed if chemical characterization of the device. So it is not important here. And one more concern here, the name given near the name only answer. So we easily eliminated answer option C also. Okay. Here, what is question stem? Material mediated biogenicity. This is one of the name. So no need to read whole text. Okay. Keep it in mind, no need to read whole text. You most concentrate where is the name given. There will be the answer. Okay. Not assist using. So this medical
material mediated biology is not using the below given 3 method. One of the method not used. Okay. Traditional, not biocapability, then validated method, material mediated biology. This is 3 options. Okay. Therefore, otherwise, after the otherwise, using traditional biocapability extraction methods. So using traditional biocapability extraction method. Answer is what is asking? Not assist using. So not using. Here using. Using is traditional biocapability. But answer option traditional not biocapability. Biocapability, non-biocapability. Both are different. So answer option is A is here answer. Then validated method here given using biological test or on equivalent validity methods. Here using this method. Which method? Validated method. So in this way, answer option B we here eliminate. You got it now? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Shabari.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.